everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to access file manager on your NUBIA Air. If you want to check up your files, you'll need to access a file manager, and to do this, open up your app drawer and find something like file manager, like this. So open it up, and basically that's how you get an access to all your files, pictures, apps, documents, videos, and all the stuff. So basically like this, and here you have all the files on your phone. So starting off with your Android files, so basically software, downloaded things, movies, music, notifications, picture, podcasts, recordings, ringtones, and stuff like that. So that's how you access a file manager on your NUBIA Air. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.